I first invested in this dig site, I considered it just another tax shelter. But today, it's going to need a tax shelter of its own. Because we've uncovered the ancient and ambiguously powerful Fregosi sapphire.
Ooh.
Yoink! Thanks for doing all the work for me, suckers!
Soup's on, egg drop! Coming in for a hard landing, Tails. You got me covered?
Roger.
Who's Roger? He's talking to me. Thanks, buddy. I owe you one.
By my count, you owe him about $1 million.
Must everyone chime in with a quip?
Communication is the key to a functional relationship, Sonic.
Relationship? Who said anything about a relationship?
You know, you guys can be a real buzzkill sometimes.
I believe this sapphire is yours.
Oh, no. With Eggman after it, my premiums are gonna shoot through the roof. For some reason, insurance companies hate supervillains. Which is weird, since they're basically the same thing.
I'll watch it for you. People have been complaining that I don't guard enough rare stones.
You ever wonder what happens to Eggman's minions after a battle? Ah! This one's still functional!
Is she gonna be okay? She'll be better than okay. I repaired the circuitry and installed a personality chip. Make sure she stays fully charged. That her circuits don't overheat. And that she gets enough oil.
Here comes the airplane, lubricant. Way to make a couple of girls feel welcome.
What girls? You're toting a bee-bot.
You mean bee?
That's what he said. B.
Bee, like in Beatrice. Get it? It's simple. That's why it's so clever. I said it's clever!
Yep.
You're right.
My puppy! You need to keep that bee on a leash.
Play dead!
No!
Woohoo!
All right, Eggman. New year, new you. Time to shape up. Feeling the burn now. Don't overdo it. Hey, is that my bee-bot?
No, this is a wild bee-bot. Yeah, that's it.
Well, if it's wild, then I suppose it wouldn't be affected if I activated my homing device. Fine. I'll override you with the passcode. Wrong password. Oh, what did I change it to? Orbot's middle name? Mombot's maiden serial number? How am I supposed to remember my password? You gotta use a number, a capital letter, and a special character. Plus, they make you change it every 6 months. Yeah, I'll keep trying till I get it.
Locked out. Please contact your customer care representative.
I need a place to hide Bee.
Oh, of course. It's not like we need our tents for shelter or anything. We can huddle together for warmth.
Okay, thanks.
So I go to settings, to general settings, to set general settings. Oh, okay, I see it. Thanks, Kevin. Now to get back that bee.
Bee, are you all right?
What's going on in there?
You let her out? Don't worry. It's not like I worked my fingers to the bone nursing her back to health.
Sorry, us Gogobas are immune to guilt, which I really feel terrible about.
Maybe it's the mother in me, but I can't stand to see Amy so sad. That's better.
I'm worried about Amy. She really seems out of it.
What are you talking about? She's the life of the party. Just look at that hat.
Okay, Ames, this has gone on long enough. We're gonna cheer you up.
It's been 3 hours. Think the cupcakes are done yet?
No,
Don't cry.
It's okay.
Man, she must really hate cupcakes.
How about we look through your scrapbooks?
Oh, man, this is the coolest.
I like that.
Now, there's one thing we haven't tried. Let's talk about our feelings.
Ah, that's just what I need. There are so many things I want to get off my chest. So many emotions I've been...
Oh, no time for that now, Amy. Eggman's attacking.
Hand over the gemstone, Nurples.
He has a name, you know. Herman.
Really? That's pretty weird. Again, I hang out with Orbot and Qbot, and they're no smarter than rocks. B-Bots, attack!
B-bots? Sticks, no! Maybe one of them is B.
Leave Herman alone!
Don't worry, I'll give it a good home as the power core of my Megabot. After the installation, he, and by he I mean me, and by me I mean I, will be invincible!
We gotta stop Eggman before he installs that sapphire into Megabot.
Guys, I can't risk hurting B. So long as Eggman has her, he'll always have the upper hand. You do what you have to do, but I can't be a part of it.
Don't you mean you can't be a part of it? What, nothing?
With these improvements, I'm gonna have to start calling you Mega Megabot!
We're too late!
Late? But I'm never late. Well, except for when I'm fashionably late, but I plan for that, so that doesn't count. Anyway, let's kick some robot.
That's it!
Well, if it isn't Amy Rose, where's your little pet? How about I call her for you? Oh, B-Bots!
How do we know which one's B? I mean, they all look alike.
Not cool, Sonic.
Don't worry, I know how to find my B. I missed you, girl.
Now let's show these B-bots who's B-boss. It sounded more clever in my head.
You didn't think it would be that easy, did you? Megabot, blast that Hornet turncoat out of the sky!
How dare you!
Whoa, okay, Okay, maybe that was a mistake on my part.
That ought to do it. Oh, wait, almost forgot.
Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, yeah, B might be a little stronger than before. That Fregosi Sapphire packs one heck of a punch.
Don't worry, Herman. Scars look cool.
There. That finishes my scrapbook of my favorite scrapbooks. Come on, B.